Here is a view from the front door of our house on December the 18th. It snowed starting yesterday morning at about 9 a.m. and has really not stopped since. I'll just try to walk in a few places where I can very carefully, although this may not be easy. It is up to my thighs, so it must be about 24 inches deep. So the schools are closed today, the libraries are closed today, all non-essential services are closed. Even the hospital has closed and canceled all elective surgeries today. So it's very, very big storm compared to anything we've had in the past. So I'm walking to the side of my driveway, but I'm not sure I can get through here. Let's see. No, I cannot get through. We'll try again from another angle.
What?
I'm now walking through the backyard, through the gate, to the through the gate and to the driveway, which I did shovel last night, and I got it to the point where we could actually get through it. It's now back to about, I would guess, 18 to 20 inches. Snow on the roof. Chris had to go up on the roof this morning to clear off the chimney vents because the furnace wouldn't come on because the vents were blocked. So that was exciting. Here's a picture of our house in the snow. And I think I'll stop filming and start shoveling.